If you need to check the email address on your Namecheap account, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find it. Whether you're confirming your login email, updating account details, or just making sure you're using the right contact information, the process is fast and simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. You can type the Namecheap website directly into the address bar and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the Namecheap dashboard, look toward the top area of the page and click on Profile. This is where your account settings and personal information are stored. After opening your profile section, you'll want to locate the personal information or account details area. From there, find the primary email section. This is the main email address connected to your Namecheap account, and it's the one you'll usually use for important notifications, account security updates, and login related messages. Take a moment to double check that the email shown there is the one you want to use. If you're checking this because you forgot which email is attached to your account, this is the place to confirm it. If you ever need to update it later, you can usually do that from the same account settings area, but for now we're just focused on finding and viewing it. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can check your Namecheap email address and make sure your account information is correct. This is a useful step anytime you're managing a domain, handling billing, or keeping your account secure. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.